Hey there, Cobra people. This is Nick from the air-conditioned luxury in this summer heat garage at Acton Custom. I just wanted to show you a problem I'm dealing with mixing and matching old parts and new parts on these 60-year-old cars that we love so much. The subject today is the 427 FE, specifically the side oiler and clearance problems. Let me switch the camera. So the clutch that was in this car, you can see, was making a lot of debris and slipping and not working that great. And it is the original style that has the levers and the springs, okay? So it's the type 1 clutch or the long style clutch, whatever you want to call it. But it's got springs inside and levers to activate them. You can see it's got a nice conical shape to it, all right? Compare it to the modern version of a clutch, which is and I like to use the center force. You can see it's got centrifugal weights on it, which help give it more grip at higher RPM. It's got, the key to the whole thing is the diaphragm style clutch with the slits in the cone-shaped washer to use it as a spring. That gives it high holding force and minimal pedal effort for the high holding force. Our problem in this application is that when you look at the cone shape on that and you look in at the side of this thing and you look how squared off that shape is, you finish up with a clearance issue on the pressure plate, which you can see right there. And if I go to the engine bay of the car, which is where I'm coming to you from, and I take a look at the inside of the old school cast bell housing, you can see where the pressure plate has been touching that. Now, the old school cast iron bell housing has got a lot of thickness, it's got a lot of meat to it, and that's coming through to the inside here. If we replace a clutch and we replace a bell housing, both with the modern ones, you can see that the modern bell housings, this has a Doug Nash 5-speed behind it in case you're interested. So the blow-proof or the hydroformed steel bell housings we get these days, they're a lot thicker. I mean, you look at the thickness of this flange just on my fingertips there, and you can see there's a lot more meat on a cast iron bell housing. And that's the interference problems I'm having with the old school bell housing and the modern clutch pressure plate. What's the fix for it? Well, I'm glad you asked, because since I'm sitting in the engine bay and I'm all geared up with my noise making equipment here, that's the next step. I'm going to clearance the inside of this bell housing. Good luck mixing and matching old parts, and there's just something to be aware of and be mindful of. I actually ran into this exact same problem a couple of months back on a 427 side oiler that I was putting in an original car. So things to keep an eye on, mixing old and new parts. Good luck, people.